And that's how you load a truck with corn. I don't think I could get any more on there. Maybe another bushel. Would you look at this? Yup, finally in the cornfield. This is actually day 3. First time I've turned the camera on for this corn harvest. I am about 3 weeks behind from last year. And that's because of wet dirt and wet corn. Wet dirt meaning the fields have been wet because of all of the rain that we've received. Dry enough now that I can get over it. Corn, the moisture's down to about 16.5. You see I've got a trailer here on the end of the field that I am loading. I've also got a trailer back at the farm that is loading out of the bin. I've got the farmer's daughter there at the bin loading that trailer for me. I really didn't expect 2 trailers today, but hey, I'm not complaining. That's good, because what is about to happen is things are going to get wetter again. We will be receiving, from reports that I've heard, we'll be getting the remnants of Hurricane Delta. So this is Friday afternoon. I think by Sunday afternoon it is supposed to be raining again. And I did see one report that said up to 3 inches of rain is possible from that. We do not need 3 inches of rain right now. But not a whole lot I can do about it. So by getting these 2 trailers out of here today, that's going to help me a whole lot. I've been hauling a load of corn every morning to Purdue. I will not finish harvesting this corn by Sunday afternoon, but I'll put a pretty darn good dent into it. And as you can see, well, this is where the tide raises. You can see a little bit of mud right there. I'm making a few tracks right in here. So because of the tide that raises up here, you can see grass control was not too great. A little bit of wind damage in the tops of these stalks of corn, and I think that was from that last hurricane that I could not say properly that caused the tornadoes in the area. But hey, this Hurricane Delta, that one is easy to say. Why can't they all be like that? Well, as far as the Maine goes, we don't really want any hurricanes. right about where we are. Which this is really surprising that it's doing this well, because as I said earlier in the year in a previous video, the month of June was the driest month we had had in 25 years, the driest June we had had in 25 years. So I attribute these decent yields to the genetics. The genetics have just, I think, gotten that much better, because 25 years ago, to get the dry June that we had, this corn would have only done probably 50 bushels to the acre. So yeah, I think genetics have played a huge role in the better yields in this drier weather. Now I think about 30 minutes north of us, I think they're getting record yields. At least that's what I heard early on. I haven't heard any reports in the last couple of weeks on if that is still the case. Well, it's my lucky day. There's the trailer that was loading here at the bend leaving. And I've got trailer number 3 that just showed up. I did not expect a third trailer today, so this is good. It's going to give me plenty of room in the bend here, so I can shell plenty of corn before this Hurricane Delta rolls in here. So yeah, this is good. So they've got to back in here because I've got the auger set up here so they cannot drive around the barn like they normally do, because I've got this auger set up to load the bin, and then this auger set up to unload the bin. So it's a little difficult for them to back around that turn there, but they'll get it eventually. All right, there's the third trailer, loaded and about to head out. And I'm headed back to the field to load my truck and haul back to the bend. This camera is not going to do it justice, but there is the sunset. That is the Potomac River right there. It's just a beautiful evening, but the sun is going behind the clouds, so we may not see it for a couple more days. I guess the remnants of the Hurricane Delta are moving through. I don't have the truck loaded yet. One more tank and it will be loaded. So over there I go to get one more tank. Okay, got her loaded, and the sun is just about gone. I guess that load is going to Purdue in the morning, and then it's back here to go at it. Another day, another $2, I guess. Inflation. it's Friday night, and that usually means that it's date night, but no, that ain't the case tonight. Oh man, I got a fly on my lens. Did you see that? Yeah, I already told my wife I was getting home late, and I'm not taking her out to dinner tonight. And I doubt I'm taking her out to dinner tomorrow night either, because I've got to work to get this corn in before this rain comes. So maybe Sunday night